While we would have loved to gather in person to remember and honor Peggy, I am glad that we are still able to do so virtually. Hopefully, we can host her friends and classmates at the School of Nursing soon. Margaret E. Peggy Sczesny was born and raised in Connecticut, but spent most of her adult life in Virginia. Now, her name and her legacy have returned home. Peggy passed away in March of 2019 and left the School of Nursing the ultimate gift: her more than $1.5 million estate. We had no idea about her intended gift until after she had passed. Peggy earned her bachelor's with us in 1969 and later returned for her master's degree. Early in her career, she served as a staff nurse and clinical director at the Yale New Haven Hospital. In 1984, she was recruited to work at VCU Health, then called MCV Hospital, in Richmond, Virginia. She served as their director of pediatric nursing until 1995 and practiced as a registered nurse until retiring in 2011. Peggy loved being a nurse, and over the course of her career, she served countless children and their families. As a leader, she was instrumental in designing programs that enhanced the care of children and facilitated the work of the nurses who cared for them. She was also an ardent UConn women's basketball fan and a 26-year donor to the School of Nursing Dean's Fund. A couple of years ago, Peggy's nursing classmate, Patricia Bender, reached out to members of the class of 1969 to encourage them to participate in their 50-year reunion. In doing so, Patricia learned that Peggy was ill. Peggy ended up passing away just 5 months before her classmates reunited. Another of Peggy's classmates, Carol Ann Conboy, who was a retired justice of the New Hampshire Supreme Court, remained one of Peggy's closest friends and served as her executor. Working with the School of Nursing and the UConn Foundation, Carol Ann helped ensure that Peggy's legacy would live on. Peggy's donation will be used for undergraduate and graduate student scholarships with a preference for pediatric nursing. It will also create a nursing traditions fund to provide nursing pins and stethoscopes to students. In April of 2020, the UConn Board of Trustees authorized the naming of the Margaret E. Peggy Sczesny, class of 69-79, Auditorium, located in the Widmer wing of Storrs Hall. Though slightly delayed by the pandemic, signage was installed this spring to honor Peggy's memory and contribution. We could not thank her while she was alive, so to Peggy Sczesny, thank you from all of us at UConn School of Nursing.